So we've got a clip here, so we're just going to have you listen to it and see if you can see what this sounds like to you. You got that?
Yeah.
What would you say that is?
Somebody like hyperventilating or something like that. Like.
Any guesses?
Sounds like a baby breathing.
Any thoughts?
Is it Trump making like duck noise or something? I don't even know what it is.
It sounds like someone's like blowing, like you know, like the party, the party, the street.
Ah, party blower!
Is it the rubber chicken?
I have no idea.
I think it's honestly like a bird. A bird doing like the thing where they puff out their chest and like, or like a lizard. I don't know.
Do you recognize that sound? What is that?
That's two turtles having intercourse.
Yeah, it is the first person to get that one. Congratulations.
What do you think?
A turtle.
Oh, turtles.
That is it. It is a turtle having sex. He's having a good old time.
Oh, that's cute.
They make noises.
They make very passionate. They make very passionate noises.